3. That is the required answer. Next, if a raised to x equals to b raised to y equals to c raised to z and b square equals to ac, then the value of y is, means these two expressions are given or equations are given and we have to find the value of y. Now these problems you will have to practice only. There is no logic or anything to this, just practice. So a raised to x equals to b raised to y. So convert this to, we have to convert this to b, only b raised to y. So divide everything by y, a raised to something raised to y. So a raised to x upon y means take yth root of both the sides. So it becomes a raised to x upon y equals to b raised to y upon y. But y upon y is 1. So b raised to 1, that is b. Therefore b equals to a raised to x upon y. Now similarly for z, a raised to x equals to c raised to z. So a raised to x upon z equals to c raised to z upon z equals to c. Therefore c equals to a raised to x upon z. Okay. Now we have got b in terms of a raised to x upon y and c in terms of a raised to x upon z. But what is given? B square equals to ac. But what is b? B is a raised to x upon y, right? We have just now got it. So it becomes a raised to 2x upon y equals to a into, what is c? A raised to x upon z, right? So solve this right hand side. A raised to, it becomes a raised to 1 into a raised to x upon z. So it becomes a raised to 1 plus x upon z, right? Formula x raised to a into x raised to b equals to x raised to a plus b, right? That formula. So now what happens? A raised to 2x upon y equals to a raised to 1 plus x upon y. Now bases same, so indices can be equated. So 2x upon y equals to 1 plus x upon z. Now solve this. Z into 1 cross multiply. Z into 1 plus x. So z plus x upon z. So what happens now? To watch the videos further, kindly download Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.